Left that alone. If I can't me name, brother, and 9 life me have, you think me easy for dead? That now go happen. Yeah, man, and I don't know people, I just like and share here. Have a thing I have to explain to you and share with you here. As me I tell you, say when? On February, March, we go to Canada. Remember good no man? We did go to our movie to people, if you remember, but it's like whenever I want to outline it to the crowd and the world yet, here. But as me I tell you, say, the trailer is out. You see what me I say? So I want to just go out and share the thing and like the thing. You see what me I say? Remember good man. But as me say, before and after, we are going to try link the promoter or the producer when they do that thing there. We'll link him and find out what go on for the movie and them thing there. So I go and deal with him, brother. I'll link the producer, yeah. I want to hear some more about the movie, Yeah, brother.
Oh, I go on, me done.
I know me there, brother.
Whoa. See it there.
Yeah, man, loud, brother, man.
See it there. Love all the vibes set there, you see me?
Yes, up, brother, man. As we are saying, first of all, we are going on the eye. Who the eye, man, them thing there. We are going on the eye, introduce the eye self to the crowd. Let the crowd know who the eye as a producer towards this movie thing.
Alright, watch out now. A my boss, them call me no cat. That's what me I deal with.
Big up in a brother.
Just like that. Yeah, man. Bismo, man, them say a straight business we deal with, though. And money,
Yeah,
so
man.
you just put it together. Bismo, business and money.
So, man, I go say to the
boss.
eye, brother, how the eye becomes to get the name there.
You know, say the name there. Every man want to be a man boss, right? Well, no man no my boss, You're I boss, you get it? Bismo, right, I boss, that's how it thinks that. You see me?
Right.
Cat, you hear me?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah. So I saw me, I say, man, where your brother them done?
Brother, they are going, yeah, man, the man, they are going all our vibes, But me I say, brother, second question. What I want to know is, are the owner of iHouse record, label, everything, brother? Producer.
Yeah, man, I mean, I own all that something there, so me I deal with.
Yeah, brother.
Me write the movie, me do them thing there, cause the struggles we go through in our life, we have to do one thing, so me I deal with. Cause me used to go to one studio when you're big house. Yes, and it's like brother. One day me in India Vice, and it's like, me I pay the man me good money. And he never chip off fee, Mike. You see me I did, and the man I say, yo, hurry up and make the man come out, no man. And I say, yeah, so the man move. So watch, I go up my own thing, no more big house, high house, which is my house, right?
Yes, no man.
Yeah, man, I struggles where we got through, so we have to do one thing, you see me? Yeah.
Yeah, man, so was it like working with the movie people them back in them time, the brother, until now?
Well, I know say the movie is a success, because the movie done. You see me I deal with everything done and complete to have it here, so you see me? So we just want the people them to know, say, yo, look out for that something, because that something I go mad, right? You don't know, say, a bag of people in it. You have, Javilani in it. You don't know, you have Bada Cat in it. You have Paul Campbell in it. Teddy Brookshot in it. Blessed, a whole heap of star in it. That's what me I deal with, so. It a go mad.
When they are going forward out to the next movie again, brother? Because like the people, them love that movie already, and wish you can see it from afar,
You know how you say, but watch out, the next movie the next movie in the works right now, because I want to say, be a star, I link, I say, rare, so We are shoot the next one. We not stop with it. We are come with it consistent. Big up Teddy Brockshot. You see me, I'm sure we have to do the thing done.
Alright, Teddy Brockshot are the man then. Blessing love, brother. Me like how the eye sound, you know, me I said the eye sound like him know where I say, you know?
Yo, Badacat, yeah, do come from, you know, that's what me I deal with. St. Thomas, same place, that's what me I deal with. Yeah, man.
Movie and promotion.
Big up the whole of Cedar Valley down.
Where the eye like. Yeah, man, see that.
Nah, yeah, you say that. Yeah, man, the whole of Cedar Valley, man, Marant Bay, the whole of Seaford, Yalas down. We know them place them and down, you see it. But at the same time, we are town man to down.
Man, as in a man, a real thing. So as me I say, brother, what was a creative process? What do I say? Within himself, with the movie thing and all the music where I promote and with where I do right now, until now.
Well, you see really what going is like, you don't know anywhere in the world there be a fight to get done.
Yes, brother.
So watch how we do now. We do one thing though, because I put out movie already in a movie theater and them thing. They have a movie called Small World. You don't know enough started in that too. So we always do one thing though.
God up, man.
Nah, me nah stop.
About some of the artists them. About some of the artists them that I ever work with.
Well, a long time we do the reggae music thing too, you know. Yes, where me I deal with.
Yeah.
Or
the artists that I ever collaborate with, whatever, you know. So,
well, we done that something that we do, ching ching. We done that something that we do, Deva Brat. You don't know, say, you know, you have to big up them man, the dog, Black Cry, you know. Chase Grass. Enough people we do song with, you see me?
Okay, brother. Blessing, man.
Big up Lexus at the same time. Big up Mr. Vegas. Foot hype, you know. I want link in my done. That's what we are doing. Anywhere in the world. We not cut the link, you see me?
So how do I get to find Badacat? How do I get to know about Badacat and them things?
I want to know about Badacat
and them things there. How you know say Badacat could have fit in the movie? How do I get the plans there? How do I get the ideas there, you know? And the contacts and everything, you know?
Well, as much as you say, here's me a roll with Teddy Brockshot, you know. That's what me I deal with.
Yeah.
So enough things we see. We see everything, you know, everywhere in the world with them, you know. That's what me I deal with. So, a long time I watch your thing. And I see how you move and how you rise the youth and I teach the youth them and I say boom bang. That's what me I deal with. So, it's like me hear you make a speech one time and me I say, Jano, you see that movie a cat half it in night. That's what me I deal with, no matter what.
Said, brother.
You see me, so. You don't do that for night from say half it night, you see me?
Truly. True, man. Are you the man in us? So are you call the shots, you know, brother? Yes, no, man.
Don't. That's what me I do. That just the teachings where you give the youth, me done. That's what me I do. Enough youth worldwide that listen here. That's what me I deal with. And rate how you deal with the thing. You see me, so. When you see the talent, you can't stop it. That's what me I deal with.
Yeah, man, so. Teddy Brockshot, our real man, you know. How long now since I know Teddy Brockshot? How long now since So what the reason that I meet?
You know, say a long time. You know, say a long time, you know Teddy still. That's what me I deal with.
Yeah,
long time. Can watch that.
Something more about.
Me and Teddy used to live in the same. Me and Teddy living at the same house, me done. For over 7 years. 8 years.
That's my brother, man. It's real.
That's what me I deal with. Me know Teddy over 15 years. A long time me know Teddy. That's what me I deal with. Years we are road. But me the man not really like the lights up. That's what me I deal with. The whole heap up front something. You see me?
Oh, no, my brother, man.
Yeah, but me dead from them time, the man. I may tell you, say up to the end with the dead. That's what me I deal with. Cause watch that. You see last time me see him upon the movie set with them, me done. That's what me I did. Cause the night before, it's like me do some boom and tell him wrote the night before, a couple of days before. And thing and so me never like that. Tell you You have to give him something up there, though. I saw him go to work, you see me? I'm going to tell you, sir, we did the whole night, me done, and we start out the thing, because the next day we are going to start shoot. That's what I deal with. I'm going to do some boom. And I say, yo, Paul Campbell, you know that's something here now. We do some boom, pick up the phone and call Paul Campbell. That's what I deal with. But he never answer. That's what I deal with. And we say, boom, anyway. Tomorrow we are going to start shoot and thing. And him do some boom and shoot up some scene and rare. Before the man cut to go on restaurant, me and him family and thing and rare, and I buy all man some food, cause you hear them do me. You know movie thing where the man them shell down the bar dog. That's something there. So I cover there. And the last food I buy the man is like a coffee man. That's what I do with that. That's something. And then we go up on the set and it's like we go up on the set and do some boom. And him shoot up him thing and he left. And when him left now, him do so, because when I done shoot the movie, in a bag of something to do, right? And when him left now.
Yes, my brother, man.
Couple of days, I do so, boom, and it's like, me up on the road and, you know, say the baby mother called me, because me had want the first person she called, and that she said, so me just say what she said, oh. And I said, the man drop out, and me I said, blow out. Yes, me I deal with. So, rest in peace to the great. That's what I deal with, because what happened is just an accident. That's what I deal with, and I just that, you see me? Yeah, you know, so me not up there again, brother.
Yeah, man. I said the same word to brother. Rest. Blessed love, brother. Every time.
You see me? As a great brother, man, them youth is for the youth, them that's what I deal with.
Yeah, man. Yeah, yeah, what I said, though.
Say that again, because you did a chip one at the time, eh?
Yeah. Yeah, me I say, rest in peace, great man, you know?
Yeah, man, big up the man, man.
Yeah, man, big up the man.
Big up the...
Yeah, man, Teddy Brookshire.
You see them? The man they set it from day one at Jamaica, though. Real white people, got, you know what I mean? People know the thing.
Brother. Yeah, brother, the dog give me Jalo and make the thing loud. So with Paul Campbell, brother, how you manage with Paul Campbell, doing business with him, first time meeting Paul Campbell as a star, brother?
Well, you see Paul Campbell now. Paul Campbell is a different brother, you know? That's what I deal with.
Sure.
In the sense, I know him still on Boom Bang. That's what I deal with from a while now, but we just never get for work yet. That's what I deal with. So the work was going to happen anyway. That's what I deal with.
Anyway,
so I kind of know it, but he's a great brother. And listen to nobody I say, so I deal with the man who just take the work serious. You see me?
I give thanks for greatness, brother. Great are great, yeah. So when you're great, it is there for you from me, Bada Cat. Here, remember, good man. No joke.
Yes, yes, sir, I deal with.
Yeah, man, greatness.
And just like that, big up Javilani to call them youth, they are good youth. Yes, sir, I deal with.
Yeah, man, Javilani are really youth, man. Yes, sir, I say, brother. More strength, brother, man, for the whole team, I want to, brother.
Yes, sir, man.
Yeah, man.
That's why I say, more the people them go. Yeah, one of the people them go check out the thing. That's why I deal with Fall or Revenge on YouTube and dig up the thing and make them know what I go on. You see me?
Like and share, man, are the same thing, man. Follow it, man. Bada Cat is there, Teddy Brookshire is there. So I say the whole of the star them you can think of. Them up the people. Remember me tell you.
Just like.
Oh, they I make it in a Jamaica. Which part of Jamaica they are? School and all them place.
You know, so which part Jamaica really come from still. As me say, St. Thomas, though. My country that.
St. Thomas, big up and large here. Remember, I'm good, you know, the artists are telling you that here. Large every time, big star. St. Thomas, phone link, tune in. Yes, my brother.
Just like that. You see me, sir, I really St. Thomas, you see me. I have a place with them called St. Andrew, Uptown, though, Papin, Kentire, Tavern. Them place there, you see me.
All right. Remember good. Yes, my brother.
Mm-hmm.
Real life.
So, when Grizzly Boss there,
you know they're on different ground. I could have seen him after I left here, so.
Okay. See, that's the man them good and thing though.
Yeah, man, the soldier them there, man. Brooksy there. The brother we asked about, you know.
See, they heal him up, man.
Give thanks for the interview, brother. People them and the fans them. Respect Tono. Subscribe, like and share, and I don't know people. Bada Cat said that Tono. Yeah, big up on yourself. Meet and greet my family and friends and fans. Yeah, brother.
You see it? Just like that.
That's
So
it.
more the people them check out the thing. How that? Broski.
Yes, General. Big up yourself, no man. Yes, no man. Yes, brother them.
See him where
One
worldwide the people them rate you, you see me?
Yes, sir. We don't know the thing, man, and we feel the energy too, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. One life we say, brother.
One life. Love for the man, the man do, man. The unity, you see me, and the strength.
All right. So thanks, man. Give a thanks here.
Just like that. Big up yourself.
Same to the item too, brother. Big up the item self anyway in the world where the item, the answer guide the item every step of the way. You hear that?
Just like that. You see me?
Strength, brother. Yes, I am. Jano, you know. Feel the item energy, man. Jano, here.
All right, me done. Guidance.
Every time, my you. Big up on yourself. You hear?
Ah.
All right. See another brethren you can see a shout up to him.
Let me see what I go on. You big.
Oh, brother. Yeah, man, we're going to Tyrion and Trinity a while ago around there, man. Manners, brother, manners.
Manners, me done.
One team, one dream, you know.
One dream, you see me? Just like that, man. We love all the man.
Said way, brother. Said way, man. Said way, man. Yeah, man. Big up
See
all
that?
our school, you know.
Big up, yes, sir.
That's a red stripe.
Straight. Real life, you know. I man. We not stop doing good work, you know. We know say one day we have to get paid, you know.
Yo, as me say, man, wait till it break up, dog. Big up yourself, man. Let me see the wave, dog.
All right. Remember good, brother.
Said way,
brother. Yeah, man. Said way, man.
Yeah,
I just that girl, man, that girl come mash up everything, you know. That girl body of fuck. Yeah.
a real dog. Better than everybody.
Fight the world, brother. That girl
Yeah, that man check.
Body man, ask y'all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's try everybody.
Can't believe a man can't poison that girl like him, man.
Oh, that.
Get that girl, bro.
Not even
No man can't get that girl. Everybody, notice every man afraid of that girl there, no.
A true man, a real thing, man.
Every man afraid of that girl there.
Real thing, brother, real thing, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So go and bless up your themselves, you don't know.
Hold on, man.
You don't know we there and hold it, you see me?
Oneness, we
Hold
say
on,
the
Mr.
world,
Cat.
brother, them, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. We soon start put foot a road together, man. Me have one song to send come here if you go and beat in your team the same way. Here.
Alright, watch out, you know, say enough song we write for enough artists, enough things to produce the artists, but we not say nothing, dog. We are going to send you some rhythm, man, Cat, and you just do your thing, because you see we do everything, we own everything. Now, let me tell you something now. You see the thing that where them say Master P, and them say Damien Dash, and that's something that we depend. We are one up the thing as the Jamaican, them, dog. I make the thing come through with you, dog.
Oh, you mean? How what them, man? How what them, brother? That's a thing we do, man. A thing we're reason about, man. Yeah, man.
Yes, me, sir.
Go our way for you, man. I really like
it. You see next movie, I see already there in the next movie, see me, me done, you see me?
Remember good number.
Love how you do that something there, you see me?
Yes, brother, man. For real, man. We like that.
Cat himself.
Big up on the brother, man. Real.
Cool on, brother, Cat.
Respect, brother. Oh, dear.
Hold on, man. Yo, I want to get a cat. I listen to things from start, from day one, you know. From my boy, TV first video, Mr. Freedom, something, you know.
All right.
Until now, we look at.
Yeah, here where we are.
Yes,
I love we are doing
right now, we are subscribed to your channel, so anything matter you put up nothing, me see it first hand.
All right, brother. Love that.
See it.
Love that.
Cool, brother, man.
Respect.
Yeah,
cool, cat.
You think larger can that
cat? Large, man. The thing large,
Yes,
brother,
me
cat.
representing a got it. Yeah, man. At
Yes.
first place, me represent away from Jamaica, brother. Yeah,
So
man.
me tell you, man, and it's a pleasant to meet you. Yes, me I deal with.
Yes, brother, man. Strength and power for me there, to man. And me see the sense meeting there that day, you know. Yeah, man.
So it go, man. You see me? Because you know, say that Facebook Live, I never do it before. I first me ever do that something. You see me?
Yeah, man.
And
We are bring you to where you know do before, man. And yeah, bring me to what me not do before, brother. So
so you
good.
know, say I St. Thomas East Side, though.
How you mean? Member good no man. Big up St. Thomas, Yalas, Boot Bay, Maran Bay. Member good no man. The whole St. Thomas side. Member good no man. But
Trintyville,
where brother Chentyville. Anyway,
New Mount Clan.
But can't play same way, brother.
Yeah.
Bless up yourself. Oneness.
Girl, to go be a too, you know. Girl, to go be man come from. Girl, to go be me come from, you know.
Girl, to go be a Shirley, me I go down there go give the people them
Hold
the
on, man.
Shirley,
Hold on, man.
down there with the people them here.
All right, sir.
No brother them man. Big up on
Hold on,
yourself.
man.
Be my fans them. Me say I'm my first set of fans them from out of Paris. Me love them like wow. Me not ask.
Hold on, man.
Yeah.
Just like that. That's why I say more of the people go check out the thing on YouTube. It named Fall of Revenge. They don't know about that cat. Half in there or something. They don't. Paul Campbell, Teddy Brockshot, last movie done.
Fall and Revenge. Teddy Brockshot, Paul Campbell, all the big star them, Johnny Barney, Bada Cat, name the whole of them no man. Member good no brother man.
In it.
Fall and Revenge. People on the forward out. Like, subscribe and share with it, brother. Bada Cat says so. Big up on yourself,
Yes.
my family them.
Just like that. All right, do your thing in about that cat. We are going to do something right now. Done. So continue do your thing and, you know, big up the whole of your fans them. Toronto said so. Brampton said so. Mississauga, Scarborough. Big up on yourself, done.
Them. Love on like that. Big up on yourself, Canadian.
Hold up, cat.
Full strength, soldier. Big up yourself, sweets. Every time.
Cool.
Respect.
All right.
Go see that something. Fall of Revenge. Up.
Member people, Fall and Revenge. Yeah.
Fall and Revenge.
Up.
Fall of Revenge. Member good. Let's say
Just like that.
Oneness. Here.
All right, done over there.
Out there.
Oh,
Blessings.
Yeah.
Blessings.
Strength and power. Yeah, people, end down on the live here. Just go on. No, say, yeah, man, that's at the minute and the moment. Now we get that sometime again on the YouTube.